Genting Malaysia expects to realise an estimated gain of $967 million, approximately 4.289 billion ringgit, from the disposal of 4 parcels of land in Miami measuring 15.47 acres. Its subsidiary Resorts World Miami and Smart Miami City inked a conditional sale and purchase agreement for the $1.225 billion deal on an as-is whereas basis. The group said the proposed disposal is an opportunity to capitalise on the growth of Miami's property market and unlock significant value in a non-core asset at an attractive price. The cash proceeds will be utilised for general corporate and investment purposes, including the funding of future investments as and when they arise. In a research note, JP Morgan analysts Jeffrey Ng and Sigrid Chew said the exercise also signifies that Genting Malaysia is preparing capital for its bid for the downstate New York gaming licence. They said they do not expect a special dividend. Should the group fail to secure the licence, the analysts said the gain from the asset sale could then be used to pare down debt, potentially saving interest cost of $23.8 million, boosting steady-state profit after tax by 8%. Genting Malaysia's shares rose 2.25% to close at RM2.73 for a market capitalisation of 16.2 billion ringgit. A jury in a federal court in Washington convicted rapper Prakazrel Pras Michelle of the Fugees hip-hop group on criminal charges that he conspired with Lotte Chemical to orchestrate a series of foreign lobbying campaigns aimed at influencing the US government, Reuters reported today. Michelle was charged with 10 counts of crimes, including conspiracy, acting as an agent of a foreign government, witness tampering and falsifying campaign finance records. He was accused of plotting with Jho Low to attempt to influence the administrations of Presidents Barack Obama and Donald Trump. Jho Low, who also faces separate federal charges in New York that he embezzled $4.5 billion from 1MDB, remains at large. Michelle's lawyer David Kanner was quoted as saying he was extremely disappointed by the verdict, but remains hopeful the charges could be dismissed by the judge. According to the report, the court set deadlines for the parties to file briefs on a number of post-trial motions, including a request for a judgment of acquittal that extend into July. The US Customs and Border Protection lifted a ban imposed on the Smart Glove group of companies' products, allowing the group to resume trade in the US after determining the conditions of forced labour previously identified in a withhold release order have been remediated. The CBP said the companies include Smart Glove Corporation, GX Corporation, GX3 Specialty Plant, Sigma Glove Industries and Platinum Glove Industries, and that shipments of the group's gloves will no longer be detained at ports of entry. In a statement, the CBP said, in response to the implementation of the ban, Smart Glove has taken various measures to address the indicators of forced labour to ensure that it is not utilising oppressed workers throughout its supply chain. These remediation efforts included repayment of recoupment fees, improvements to living conditions, and implementation of new worker-centred policies and procedures. The Smart Glove Group's products were banned from entry into the US in November 2021. Lotte Chemical Titan Holding kicked off its financial year 2023 with another loss-making quarter, its fourth in a row. This was due to tighter profit margins amid weakened market demand arising from a volatile external environment that is pressured by high interest rates and recession fears. It incurred a net loss of 224.76 million ringgit for the first quarter of FY 2023, compared with a net profit of 104 million ringgit a year ago, as revenue sank 29% to 1.97 billion ringgit, following lower average selling prices and sales volume. In a statement, its president-cum-CEO Park Yun-chul said the petrochemical industry entered 2023 with continued external challenges, resulting in customers remaining cautious in their purchases. He said the business environment is expected to remain challenging in the near future, though he believes the group has sufficient financial strength to ride out these challenges. Lotte Chemical Titan shares closed 2.3% lower at RM1.30, giving the group a market capitalisation of 3.01 billion ringgit. Unisem Malaysia booked an 80.56% plunge in first quarter FY 2023 earnings to 9.86 million ringgit, mainly due to lower sales volume. Quarterly revenue also fell, tumbling 16.59% to 354.05 million ringgit. Still, Unisem declared a first interim dividend of 2 cents per share, with an ex-date of May 12th to be paid on May 26th. Despite the soft demand for the group's products and services during the quarter under review, the semiconductor player said it expects its performance to improve in the next financial quarter. At the close, Unisem was down 2.67% at RM2.92 a piece, giving it a market capitalization of 4.71 billion ringgit.